Welcome back, guys. In this video, we'll explore the most common English mistakes made by South Asian speakers.
And we'll fix them all, with simple rules and easy examples. So, let's get started.
He is giving the exam.
He is taking the exam.
Discuss about the issue.
Discuss the issue.
I didn't went there.
I didn't go there.
My all friends are here.
All my friends are here.
He is out of station.
He is out of town.
I am having a headache.
I have a headache.
He is having a car.
He has a car.
I met with him yesterday.
I met him yesterday.
I will revert back to you.
I will revert to you.
He is on the backside.
He is at the back.
I made his fun.
I made fun of him.
I am going to abroad.
I am going abroad.
I have sent the mail.
I have sent the email.
I didn't knew that.
I didn't know that.
Open the light. Turn on the light. Close the fan.
Turn off the fan.
He expired last year.
He passed away last year.
I am going to give the interview.
I am going to attend the interview.
He is very angry on me.
He is very angry with me.
She is standing on the gate.
She is standing at the gate.
He is my senior or junior in the office.
He is senior or junior to me in the office.
He is living here from 5 years.
He is living here for 5 years.
He is working here since 2 years.
He has been working here for 2 years.
I shifted to Lahore.
I moved to Lahore.
These common mistakes are easy to fix, once you know the right way. Keep practicing correct English, and soon you'll speak more clearly, confidently, and correctly.
Keep learning, keep improving, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful lessons to make your English sound natural and fluent.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.